Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be having a restock video. So if you didn't know, I am back from my break, and I upload every Wednesday, every Friday, and every Sunday. And my restock is on Saturday today at 1 p.m. Eastern. I hope you guys are excited. And yeah, let's get on to the restock. Okay, so this first slime is called Heartbroken. It is a black cloud slime, bringing back from last year. It is slightly a different cloud slime. It is much better. It's super drizzly and has a much drier feel. And it has some silver glitter at the top, and it's really crunchy when you first have it with the glitter. And it's super amazing, and it's even better than last year. And I really hope you guys enjoy this one because it is my favorite cloud slime I've ever made, and it's special to me because it was like my first Valentine's slime. Okay, guys, so the next slime is called Coconut Rice Krispies. This is a super thick white glue slushy slime. It's the first slime that I've done of this texture. It's a new texture to the Shoppe. It's super thick and so crunchy. I can't even. It smells like coconut, and it has fake sprinkles, and it smells like the scent is so calming, and it's so crunchy, and it's probably my favorite slime in the restock. So you're gonna have to go snatch this one too. The next slime is called Chocolate Love Cake. It is a slime that I brought back from last year, a bestseller in last year's restocks for Valentine's Day. It's super thick, super glossy, and it has a little bit of like a clay in it, so it's super thick. Like, it's thicker, has a great texture, and it has pink foam beads and and rainbow jumbo beads. The next slime is called Cosmic Rays. It is a super thick and beautiful pigmented clear slime, unscented to preserve the clarity. It is obviously inspired by the electromagnetic spectrum slimes and Cosmic Rays, like the real thing. Like parakeet slimes, slime glitters, Slime Yoda, Slime Obsidian, and V Money Slimes. That's who the slimes are based off of. It is a blue pigmented slime with a purple undertone, and it's just so amazing and so thick. And this is my favorite, and there's like only 3 of them, so you have to snatch this really fast. The next one is Butterfly Treats. It is a super thick and creamy slime. It is like a clay slime. So it's like a sleigh slime. It has pink foam beads, yellow jumbo beads, and orange small beads too. It comes with a lollipop charm, and it also has some sprinkles in it. It's scented like um it's scented like lemon pound cake, and it's so amazing, and I love this slime so much, and I definitely recommend you snatching this slime. Okay, Correction, this is my favorite slime in the restock. It is called Poison Apple. It is super thick and so glossy. Can't even deal with it. It's scented like green apples. It's blue and purple color changing. So basically how I think of it is if it's blue, it's not poison. But when it is purple, it is poison. And it's so amazing. I love this slime so much. And I definitely recommend you snatch this one. It is my favorite, and there are only 2. So yeah. This next slime is so important. This slime is Shamrock Shake Cake Pop. It is my best seller, but like a little bit different since the last time I brought my bestseller back was like 8 months ago. Like, that is crazy. I haven't brought my bestseller back for so long, and it's so amazing, so we really need to bring it back. Okay. So this one is super thick, super glossy, and it has little white foam beads. The other one had big foam beads. This has little ones, and I think it's much better. It's thicker, it's glossier, and it's scented like mint chocolate. This next slime is Sully Butter, obviously inspired by Monsters Inc. and Monsters University. Sully is a blue monster who has purple spots, and this slime is super creamy and super spreadable. It is a butter slime, and I love it. It is scented like flowers. I don't know why I scented it like that, but it's scented like that, and it smells so great, and I'm just very excited about this slime. It's my first, it's like really good. And I love what it's based off of, and it's super fun, so yeah. So the last slime in this restock is Red Velvet Cupcake Batter. This slime is super creamy and super inflating. It's so amazing. It smells like chocolate and has little fake sprinkles in it. It's just so amazing, so creamy, and I love this slime so much. And there is a lot of ASMR in this clip, so yeah. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget that the restock is at 1 p.m. Eastern on my Etsy shop. Link in the description. Don't forget, the slimes are so amazing. Every slime is $9.99, but for the first 30 minutes of the restock, I'm going 30% off. That's right. Okay, so get ready. If you want to have 30% off, go snatch immediately at 1 o'clock. But if you don't, they'll still be at $10 for normal 8 ounce. But thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye!